This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 32BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features a Collins interior, sleeps 7, refrigerator, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 32BH is 9,592 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.